Nigerian lady died in Libya, north of Africa, my people, a week ago when she was on her way to Europe, passing through Libya, my beautiful people. This one na matter way it be very deceitful and matter way it dey pain heart because they would think say this matter for pass through Libya for take and go Europe na matter way people don't forget about, but our sister prove we wrong, my people. Okay, James Brown, his best friend wey na Toby the creator, my people, he don't come hot for Lord Castet wey he call a friend the other day when a disciple for Bobrisky, my people. Anyway, my people, if you are new here, you're highly welcome. If you've not yet subscribed, please do all to subscribe to my channel. For my returning subscriber, I thank you all, and please make una no forget for turn on notification button so that una go be notified whenever we upload video for Kongossa and Gossip TV, my beautiful people. So this matter na matter for our sister Lovett way. It don't pass na through road through Libya, my people, where you want take and go Europe. Una know say where the way people the magu they pass through Libya, then they go take boats, my people, where they go carry them go for Italy, where they go reach for the Italian people go take them as immigrants, my people. But this matter it be painful. If una look for corners, then my people, una go see how they choke people inside motor. People they tied. Abi it remain a oil make we get sardine, my people. It is very risky. I no be believe say people fit still get this kind initiative for the past natural road, my people. I know say Europe get the way it be, but after all, home is home, my people. If this our sister, it will remain for Africa, enough for actually don't so the way it dey, my people. I beg make una share this. The talk say please share this post till it gets to her family. We lost a soldier here in Tripoli and no one knows her family and how to even reach them. Rest in peace, sis. Yes, my people, this one a matter way it be very painful. I don't do research like make una see how this road to Europe when that you pass through Libya, how it be very insecure, my people. Una they see how people they pass when they don't reach for that side for desert, my people. This issue for Libya now any man for himself, God for we all. That is una they gonna battle zone. Una see how that sister it talks say they don't lost soldier because see how they pack people on top motor, my people. This one self it pass cargo, it pass luggages, my people. This one now risks if person come out for up the it fall for down. Wait till una think say it go be that particular person if fate, my people. I know say Africa get the way it did. I know say Nigeria get the way it did, my people. But then for come out for our home for say make we can suffer this way, my people, it no easy. I no go tell una lie. And people the way they go even succeed for overcome Italy it own wahala, they go come again carry boats, they go enter boat way, they go get another wahala again, my people, because for waka or for cross water before you reach for Italy no be bong, my people, no be sweet. See how people they choke for day very risky way. If something it just tumble side it touch that, but everybody inside water every day, people they die continuously, my people. I beg una it get as it day. I know say Africa they so it not easy. Yes, make una they take this kind of risks. If una no say we no day way you fit travel through butterfly or through bird way, all know I'm as plain, my people. Die hard, hustle more, keep fighting. Who knows? All enough you find another way for travel, but no be through this means, my people. Yes, the talk say many are called but few are chosen. My people, now the risks this way it dey inside. Una see how people they suffer, my people. Wait till una think about them. Make una listen, oh, my people. My people, una you know say now some days this way Lord Castet when a strong disciple for Bobrisky, he come out for outside. He can call James Brown, no, my people. Una go here as James Brown a friend, he don't can defend them. Make una hear what he talk.
The truth is some people are mad. Some people are mad, they are crazy. I went online, I saw one riffraff calling Princess of Nigeria. Are you mad? Nabi mate. See, the person wey even send you send your mama, the person go ask am wetin don do for that person. You dey mad? How dare you? Oh, they bought your loyalty with 50,000, right? Because na wetin dem dey do be that. Trust me, that's what. Yes, after 2 weeks now, they'll throw you for trash, because trust me, now you are nothing. You are nothing. You are nobody. So don't let somebody use you onto something that another person can help you. You dey mad? Guy, get sense. You dey craze. And don't ever in your life call my best friend in your nonsense, stupid, idiot publicity again. Fool. Fuck. See, treat your black knuckles. See, shey you dey see am, we no get knuckles. Treat your black knuckles. All that your nonsense, this thing, treat am before you go for anybody. Are you mad? Don't see, guy, warn yourself. Na Lagos we dey, you dey mad.
Hey, my people, wahala for who no get friend, where you go defend them, or wahala for who no get best friend, where you go come out for social media for come put everybody for their places, my people. As Toby the creator, he just do right now for James Brown, my people. He don't come back to back for Kangia for Lord Casted. As Lord Casted be talk say he don't ready a strong disciple for Bobrisky way in day. He don't ready for come forgive her for Nigerian back to back. Now so this Toby the creator, he don't come to for can give her for you back to back. Say you don't lost network ni, you dey mad ni. Say now wetin they do you dey drink or you dey smoke garri where you go come call him best friend so for public. Say make you go treat your knuckles say the oil wey you dey use he no give with you, make you go treat your knuckle. My people, wetin una think about this matter loud sha. Una don remember this boy. Now this boy where he be make tattoo that way he drum for his hand, where he be there with him mommy. They stand for camera, they shout his mother to come out, they shout say Bobrisky please help my child, Bobrisky please help my child. Una dey remember him don't come, so say he don't come back to back for come fight the position for princess for Nigeria with James Brown. Now we Toby he tell you say now where you dey think yourself say now you be faithful disciple for Bobrisky, you dey worry because when Bobrisky he go finish first use you, he go throw away you like how they throw tissue paper after they don't use am for wipe nails, my people. Now the matter that way dey now say make I run a bringer for una. I beg make una no forget for subscribe, make una no forget for like, make una no forget for share this video out. Love una plenty. Bye.